front of me is Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling to tap on the Notifications over here. Then choose App Notifications and tap on All on the left. This way you can sort your apps to see all of them, only apps with most recent notifications, most frequent notifications, or apps with notifications already off. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, use blue switchers next to apps from which you want to block them, or grey ones to switch them back on. Quick tip: if you wanna, you can click on any app on the left, and then not only manage all of those notification options for chosen apps however you want to, but also manage the same section you just did over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!